What's up, online shoppers? Are you heading on a tropical beach vacation or wanting to spend some time poolside but need to keep yourself out of the sun and protected? This is a really cool hat. Now, it's kind of packaged up. I wanted to show you what it looked like when it shipped. This is FURTALK's Panama hat, and it comes like this. The hat comes shipped in a bag, and they have this cardboard ring with the name to protect, and on the underside they actually ship it with this plastic form to help the hat keep its shape. So once we take it out, you can see how truly awesome this hat is. Here is the hat. It is an SPF of 80, which is really great. It has this really nice shaping at the front of the hat and a really sexy band that goes all the way around. Now this one here is the khaki with the black band, but they actually have 8 different color choices. They might have the khaki with a cream colored band, they may have a different colored blend on the hat itself, but they're made of a really nice soft material. This isn't like a scratchy straw feel. It's smooth and silky. There's almost this little bit of a gold sparkle to it. I think it's the stitching that keeps it all together. The ribbon detail on the band is really nice. It's beautifully folded. I really love how it looks. And there's this really nice flat, wide brim right here. And you've got the divot at the top of the hat. You can grab it like this. The hat also comes with a string on it, which is great because when you're out on a boat or sitting at the beach or on a chair by the pool, sometimes the wind gusts. This is going to stop the hat from blowing away. You could also use it to hang it on the back of your chair if you want to, or if you're wearing it and you don't have anywhere to put it, you can always slide it down your back. Now here is how the hat fits. I love the fit. It's super comfortable. I feel like I had it made right for my head. The strings here, I probably wouldn't wear it like this all the time, but if I was sitting out on a boat, I probably would, because if the wind came along, there's my security band right there. Now the hat can actually just slip down your back like that, and you've got this string. The string also has a nice little leather adjuster, so you can use it like that to change where it sits on your back, or when you have it on your head, you can actually use it to secure the hat underneath your chin. But this is not my style. This is definitely not the way I would do it. But it's an option, I'm just saying. Now, the inside of the hat has this really nice sweatband so that your skin actually isn't in contact with the straw of the hat, although the straw of the hat feels so nice. It says in the description that this is actually foldable, so let's give it a try and see. So I can definitely fold it like this. I probably would lay it flat in my luggage. It feels like it's gonna do a pretty good job of popping back, but I don't know yet, I haven't tried it. This is brand new, I just got it. I really love the features of this. Now, as far as care, it actually even says that if it gets dirty, you can hand wash it. That's really cool. This truly is a classic shape for summer shade protection. I love the weight of the material. I love the thoughtful design. I really like this at the top. I think it just elevates it to another level of class. And I'm looking forward to putting this to use on the beach, on the tropical vacation that is coming up. And I'm pretty certain that this is gonna be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.